here, and welcome back to my channel, Mrs. of the Home. Today we are in my closet. It is going to be spring in just a few weeks, and I desperately need to clean out my closet and decide what to keep. I would love to adopt a more streamlined wardrobe. I am a shopper, and I'd like to shop wisely and not just shop because I like things, but shop because I'm actually going to wear things and they work well for my lifestyle. If you guys don't know, I am a stay-at-home mom of 2 young girls. I also run a clothing website called Mrs. of the Home Clothing. Check it out. I'll flash the website here. And I believe in everyday elegance. So if you believe in the same thing where you just want to look presentable and look nice on a daily basis, then stick around. So today we are going to clean out my closet. That means go through everything, decide what to keep, decide what to donate, and decide on what to just move on from. So many of us hang on to things for aspirational dressing, meaning we're dressing for the person that we used to be or the person we'd like to be one day, and not necessarily for the person that we are today. So I am guilty of that. I frequently buy things because I like them, not because I'm actually able to wear them. So right now I just want to go through everything and decide what to move on from. Okay, so we're gonna start here. This is where I keep all of my blouses. So I want you guys to put some comments below on the items that you think are worth keeping, because sometimes I just don't know. I feel like I do have a good sense of style, but at the same time, my style can be really varied and all over the map. So let's just go through a few things. So this blouse here, and you see that, like, that just fell off the hanger. I mean, I think this is a really pretty printed blouse. I really like it. I haven't worn it, but I do wear it sometimes in the autumn. Maybe if I take these things down. I love this blouse. I mean, that's like a favorite of mine. Gorgeous. I really like that one. Oh my gosh, it's just so much. It's so much. This one we can move on. I mean, it's turquoise snake skin. I think I wore this once. This polka dot blouse, that's kind of utilitarian. Like, I'd wear this a lot, especially with this hot pink jacket. I'm really liking sort of like preppy chic vibes lately. Some sweaters, like for example, this lovely blouse here. I've got no place to wear this really silky blouse. Why am I hanging on to that? So that needs to go. Again, another silky blouse. I think these are from Zara. That needs to go. Sort of this lacy bell sleeve blouse. I do like that a lot, so I might hang on to that. It's great for the summer. Got this leopard print sheer bodysuit. I mean, I saw Kim K wearing this, but I'm not Kim K, so this might have to go. Where am I gonna really wear that? Probably nowhere. It's like a plain white blouse. I don't know, maybe. I do like my snakeskin print, as you can see, and I really like this ivory one, so that's a keeper for me. I like it so much that I bought it in yellow. The yellow one will have to go because I just don't see myself wearing that one. This cheetah print blouse I really like, so that will be a keeper. Here are like my summer preppy looks. This blouse, the gingham, red gingham, I absolutely love this. And this blue stripey, I really love. Oh my gosh, guys, this is just a lot. It's a lot to go through, and this is just one side. Up there are my handbags, so those aren't going anywhere. Then I've got some coats, and on this rack, I mainly have dresses, so I'm gonna have to go through all these dresses as well and decide which to keep and what to go. So this is just a small overview, guys, of the closet and what I have to do to kind of get things down to a more reasonable level. The things that I decide to sell, I'm going to be creating a Poshmark. So if anyone who's watching this video is interested in purchasing anything, I'll leave my Poshmark details below so that you can shop my closet on Poshmark. And if you're interested in the clothing store on Shopify that I run, I'll leave the link below to that as well, which is Mrs. of the Home Clothing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hey guys, so this is an update of what my closet's looking like now. As you can see, I got rid of the big rack that was here. It's sort of like in a storage space we have now. I got garment covers to store the clothing that's on that rack, and that's clothing that I'm actually going to sell. I made another bag of clothing that I finally chose to donate and part with, and the stuff that you see here is like my staple spring, even into summer wardrobe of items that I'm actually hoping to wear. But, you know, we'll still have to see if I actually wear this stuff. And if not, either donate it or try and sell it. So I'll just go through it really quickly and show you. So I've decided to keep this scarf here. This was from Vera Bradley, and I just love the pink and the navy. It's my favorite. This is a great trench jacket from Marks and Spencer's that I wear quite a bit. This is one of my favorite kimonos from Mrs. of the Home Clothing, wearing that loads, and some other pink blouses and pink items. As you can see, I've kind of color coordinated things because that's just going to help me know what I'm looking for and get dressed a lot quicker. Yeah, I really like how it's come out here, and if you want to know, I bought this closet storage unit from Wayfair. I will try and find it and link it below. It's not the strongest, I have to admit. It's not the best, but for, you know, the job that I needed, it suited the purpose, and it was, you know, relatively inexpensive. And then I got these bookcases also from Wayfair when I designed the closet. And as you can see, they are pretty deep, and they hold a lot of my bags and my shoes. This sofa also came from Wayfair. And then we have this other bookcase here and all the storage. I have a lot of shoes and bags, as you can see. This mirror is amazing. Got this from Amazon, and it's great. And the mirror behind it came from Wayfair. This chandelier, I'll zoom up so you can see. This also came from Wayfair, and it's a non-electrical chandelier, so it's really good for rooms that don't have the electricity coming from the ceiling. Oh yeah, this coffee table also came from Wayfair, and just really love it. It's given me kind of like being inside of a luxury store where you can sit down and have a glass of tea, a cup of tea, or a glass of champagne while you're being sold the luxury items. That's the vibe I wanted for this closet. Over on this side, you can see me in this house outfit that I'm rocking today. But I wanted to show you my jewelry organization. It's mainly in this chest that I picked up from Amazon. And I really like this chest because it holds so much. As you can see, I love jewelry and accessories, and it holds pretty much everything that I own. If I can find it, I will link it below. But I mean, look at how many pieces of jewelry this thing holds. It's amazing. It's supposedly able to lock, but as you can see, mine's overstuffed, so I don't bother lock it. But yeah, it's a great piece to add to keep you organized. So I hope you guys enjoyed this closet declutter stroke closet tour. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, everyone. And I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.